Take a look at this. This is pretty cool. Those are slabs. I think they're real diamonds. They press down onto it. They prepping the seed and making it nice and clean. That's just really cool. I guess that's inside the machine. Lots of heat, lots of pressure. Growing time, I guess 600 hours. That's a lot. And here we go. Created diamonds. It looks small, but that's pretty big. Check it out. They're going to use a laser to cut out the good part of it.